Here are 3 common mistakes people make while doing intermittent fasting, and because of that you are not getting the results. Number 1, breaking your fast unknowingly. So many people think they are allowed to have fruits, juices or coconut water when they are in their fasting window. That can break your fast because you are only allowed to have 0-calorie drinks like green tea, black coffee or black tea. Number 2, not consuming enough calories. So people think if they eat less, they will lose fast. So this can actually slow down your metabolism and will not give you the desired results you are looking for. So make sure to eat a balanced diet. Number 3, using intermittent fasting as an excuse to eat unhealthy food. This is not true. Even if you are doing intermittent fasting, you have to eat healthy to lose weight, because if you are eating unhealthy food, you will eventually gain all the weight, no matter whether you are doing intermittent fasting or any other dieting method. I hope this helped. I personally lost 45 kgs doing intermittent fasting. So if you wish to know more about intermittent fasting, comment below.